All right, so first thing that's got my attention is this hourly fair value gap right here. Looks like we're reaching for that right now. This is like a daily inverted fair value gap. I'm going to remove that because it's not really relevant as much anymore. It might be, but it's not the first thing I'm paying attention to. Um, and then we've just got relative equal lows down here, so it'll be interesting if we can get that. It'd be a 300-point move, so definitely possible. We're rejecting out of here. It just kind of came to the top of this hourly, maybe the 4 hour. Yeah, no, so it's really just like this order block it's rejecting off of, but either way, I would say the relative equal lows is the main thing I'm looking at down there. So we'll see what happens. Normally I don't trade the day before CPI, so I'm planning to go demo today, but wanted to hang out with you guys. So we'll see if anything shows up. And we can have some fun with it. But yeah, gonna see what happens. Hey, what's good, Vivek? How's the trading been for you? Nice. I see you catching bangers on gold, bro. Ugh. I'm chilling, man. I've got some top step 150Ks. I've got like five. We're pretty close to a payout. Just need one more day. I traded the Asia session last night, so I'm not even worried about touching those today. But hopefully tomorrow for CPI we can catch something nice. It kind of works out perfectly. Um, but yeah, today let me check what time the news is supposed to be at, because I heard Powell's supposed to speak. Um, yeah, so basically 10 a.m. East. Ooh, so I just noticed something, because this was like an area I was watching yesterday. But we're basically sweeping that now. I want to see if it, I mean, honestly, it already has broken structure here. So, like, this bearish fair value gap is already inverted. It's not the cleanest because it's pre-market, and I don't even want to imply a trade right now, but I think I mean, it's definitely reversing. It's definitely going up from right here, so. I think this 746 is the next relative equal highs. And then 54. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of risk to reward here for sure. But it's not, let me see, did it dip into the hourly fair value gap too? Let's go to the hour. This might be, oh, I'm looking at the 4 hour. That's what it is. Okay, so we left that open. What about ES? We go to the 4 hour on ES. Yeah, so that's an SMT. We came into that. Yeah, so pretty bullish on NQ then from right here. This would have been the entry though. We didn't get in. Since I'm on demo, I'll be willing to try a retest in there. But it's not A plus by any means at all, so I'm not recommending it. You know, like on demo, I'll just go test things out, see how it works, you know, because I like the structure of like the higher time frames. You know, normally I would never try this, but like that's what I'm reading right now. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try it here, just for demo experiment. Vivek, what you mean? You're gonna trade futures? Dude, yeah, NQ is like my baby. I just like the way it moves. Like what I know about gold, and I've never traded gold, but my understanding of it was that it moves a bit slower. So it's better for like swing trading, I think. But I could be completely wrong. That's just what I thought my understanding is. So I did catch this bounce. I'm up 115 right here. That's only 5 points. Um the low-hanging fruit objective would be right here. So I can't place orders on this window, but you see the picture. Get Tradeovate. Use Tradeovate. I don't know. Vivek, are you using? Okay, you're asking what funded platform. Yeah, so I use Top Step. Um, I prefer Top Step. Apex is cheapest, but I don't like their rules and they deny payouts for like stupid reasons. So for me, I always prefer um I prefer Top Step because once you're funded, you need 5 days over 200. That part can be hard and a little annoying. You have to do that between every payout, but you can make as much as you want. Like there's no consistency rule, and I think that's the most realistic to how live trading is. Like when I traded my live account, I just made 10K in one day and didn't trade the rest of the month. You know what I mean? Like that's how it should be. Um, Prop firms don't want that because they want to make you trade and follow as many rules as you can to make it hard to get a payout. Like I've tried Tradeify too, they go straight to funded, and that one's almost, it's super good besides the fact that you what was I gonna say? So there's you have to trade for 10 days and get 5 days over 250. I love that rule. It's realistic. It's like, hey, you don't need to try to rush this in 5 days to be profitable each day. But then they have a 20% consistency rule, which isn't even the worst rule either. You got 10 days to be consistent. But what I don't like about Tradeify is the $9,000 goal to a payout. So then you're now like, you now got all these rules on top of you, and the first payout is only allowed to be 3,000. So it's really not as worth it. You got to go through a lot, but at least it is straight to funded. That part's cool. You're not wasting as much time. You're not wasting time in the eval. You can just trade how you want to trade, and eventually you can hopefully get a payout. But to make 9,000, you got to trade with more contracts. It's gonna take a while. All right, yeah. So I was up 100 on demo on this IFVG. Technically, we don't stop out until we get a close below. I'm not drawing this out on the chart because I really don't want anybody trying this either. But everything outside of like the fact that this is pre-market and the fact this IFVG has been traded into already, I do like the structure. I like that we got an SMT on NQ. We swept equal lows. So we'll see. And then I was honestly thinking of looking into my funded futures. They're popular. But yeah, I like Top Steps rules the best if you're actually trying to get paid out. If you're looking for something cheap just to get experience, do Apex. Because you can get an eval. They're always running sales. It'll be like 90% off or whatever. Apex, yeah. The thing with Apex, they give you an option to, when you activate it, to pay monthly or to do a one-time fee. I would honestly rather pay monthly because with the way the rules are, you're gonna lose the account. Like, it's meant for you to cycle through accounts constantly rather than build it up and like keep it for a long time. All right, let's see what this IFVG does. Yeah, like the daily candle, it doesn't really tell us much. Let me go see how it looks. So even if we just remove all the drawings, um, yeah, like what is this? I truly just expect it to chop, Maybe we make a doji candle and tomorrow with CPI we go either direction. Probably down, but We'll see. Okay, look, I'm up 150 on this demo trade. Put the drawings back. So we just took this inverted fair value gap out of the SMT, swept equal lows, and then we're going for the next inefficiency, which is right here, 712. And then something I like to do, this isn't where I would do it because of how choppy this looks, but you know, if we got our target right here and then we make another inversion fair value gap right here, we scale in, add another contract, and then you know, print. It's looking good so far. I'm up 165 right here. Up 225, not bad, not bad. Let's see. We've got 3 minutes till the open too. I'm gonna just hold this and see what it does, honestly. Once we take out that inefficiency, I'll put my stop to break even because I could definitely see us just running up there off the open to grab liquidity. And then maybe we come down, maybe we rip, but this is on demo, so I'm gonna let it do what it needs to do. Try to get as much as I can out of it. The second, if we're trying to come up with like a really optimistic price target, I want to see if we could come like right here, 736. We'll see. And then we got news at 10. All right, I'll mark out those highs real quick. So 736 right here. Looks pretty nice so far. Market just opened. All right, put my sell order there. We're up $600. Demo. Looks like this is gonna hit. We're getting pretty close. And we inverse the 5-minute, so that's a good sign. I'm sure this could run higher, but I'm not really worried about that. Oh yeah, up 720. Nice. Good job. Let's see what happens here. My stop's above break even, so it doesn't matter. I'm chilling, but we're super close to this TP. Boom. There it goes. How much we make on that? It's like 1400. Not 1400. How many points? Let me draw it out. Let me see. I might take another trade today, all in all honesty, because I am trading demo, so it doesn't really matter. But if I was trading live, I'd be done for the day already. Yeah, so we got 40 points. That's like 800. Good work, man. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Here, I'll just break down my trade while we're on stream here for some learning. So, I honestly wouldn't have known to take this. I said I want to take it because, um, I'm on demo and I'll try setups I don't normally take. But if we go to the 4 hour, there's this fair value gap right here. And so I saw we were moving up and I wondered, have we taken it? And we have. So we breached this 4 hour fair value gap on ES. So we mark out that SMT. Then if we zoom in a bit more on the hourly, we have equal lows. So this was already like a key level. And then on the 1 minute, we have this bearish fair value gap right into this area. We invert it. I missed this entry, so I try right here and just waited till market open, held till equal highs. And I'm sure if we were aggressive, there's even more equal highs somewhere, but I didn't need all that. Hey, take care, I trade. Good to see you, man. Pretty good stream. I mean, I'll hang out a couple more minutes, but can't ask for much more than that. Damn, yeah, this could probably run a lot. Sheesh. It's pumping. It's flying. That is flying. Nuts. Wow. If you go to the 1 minute, it looks like we just gapped up. I think we're gonna definitely continue up. It's just a matter of if we can get a pullback or not. All right, so this is the first presented fair value gap at 931. I'm gonna look for that. If we don't take out this hourly for this 4 hour fair value gap and we start coming down, this is where I'll get back in long. Might be pretty aggressive. We might just bounce from the 5 minute, but still. Alright, if we take that high, I'm logging off. Looks like we're gonna fly from here. Let me check the other time frames. So still didn't take out that high. I don't see a setup though. Ugh. I'm gonna use the restroom. Still haven't taken out that high. That's crazy. I think we will. I think it's really a foregone conclusion. But what I want to see is if we can get another dip lower before we even take out this high. That'd be crazy. It's 6 points away. It wants to hit, but if we can get a pullback before then, it's like A plus for me personally. It's a nice closure for us to go down. All right, Powell speaking in 10 minutes. All right, I'm off of here. That high got taken out, so no setup for me. I don't know where the next draw on liquidity is unless we really want to run all the way to those highs, but we're in a 4-hour fair value gap now on ES. Or I'm on NQ, sorry, and ES hasn't hit yet, so maybe there's gonna be a SMT. We'll see, but yeah, I'm off stream. Thank you guys for watching.